Hey y'all, what's going on? I'm Brittany, and today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on where to begin and what you'll need to do to purchase your first NFT. I know there are a lot of beginners out there right now that are wondering, what are NFTs and where do you start? And that's what we're going to go over today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. And if you get a chance, go on over and follow me on Twitter at CryptoBrit. These videos really take a lot of time and effort, and I really hope that you all can gain some value from them. Let's get started. So if you're like me, where I was a few months ago and just getting started in the space, you've probably heard the term NFT being thrown around on social media. And you might be asking yourself, where do I even begin and where can I buy these? Well, I'm glad you're here because that's what I'm going to cover today. So what even is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token, or a token representing a tangible asset that can be bought and sold online, with each NFT having a unique identifying code, or a serial number if you will. This gives absolute right of ownership, as every NFT transaction can be verified on the digital blockchain. Now, a lot of you, like myself, have probably seen news articles where JPEGs of monkeys are being sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars, and wondering who in the world would pay that amount of money for a picture. Trust me, I get it. But now that I've spent the time doing the research and understanding the true meaning of NFTs, I realized the art is just scratching the surface of what's to come. The NFT space is growing at the same speed of the internet in the 90s. I really do believe that in a few years we'll all be laughing and thinking, how did we ever manage without it? But before we get there, we need to start with the basics, and that's what this video is going to cover. Before we dive in, let's go over a few websites that we're going to be using today. The first site you're going to use is Coinbase. This will solely be used to purchase your Ethereum. There's other sites that you can use, of course, but Coinbase is the most familiar, so that's what I'm going to use today. If you want to purchase Ethereum from another site, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you know how to send that over to your MetaMask once you've purchased it. The second site is going to be MetaMask. Your MetaMask is going to be your actual crypto wallet. This is what's going to hold the Ethereum you're going to need to purchase your NFTs, along with holding and storing those NFTs that you purchased. The last site you'll need is OpenSea. OpenSea is a secondary marketplace where NFTs are actually bought and sold. So make sure that when you open this website, you type it exactly the way you see it on camera. There's always scammers and other bad people out there trying to steal your hard-earned money, and we want to make sure that you're always connecting to the correct sites. So as I mentioned earlier, Ethereum is the cryptocurrency that I'm going to be using today. It's the most widely used cryptocurrency when purchasing and selling your NFTs on OpenSea. I want to make this tutorial as simple as possible for you, so I'm going to use the most common and well-known currency and websites associated with NFTs so that no one gets confused along the way. In short, we're going to create a MetaMask wallet, and we'll buy Ethereum on Coinbase. Once we've bought that Ethereum on Coinbase, we will then send it to our MetaMask wallet. After the Ethereum is in the wallet, our last step will be connecting our wallet to OpenSea, where we will be able to purchase our first NFT. Keep in mind that if you are new to the space in NFTs, I would highly recommend taking some time to learn the space and really do your research before investing into a project. First things first, what you're going to want to do is pull up Google Chrome on your computer. The first thing we're going to type in the Google search bar is MetaMask Chrome extension. In the top right hand corner, you're going to see a button that says Add to Chrome. You'll then add the extension and have it download onto your desktop. Once you have MetaMask downloaded and saved, you'll see it pop up in your bookmarks in the top right. The next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open MetaMask to create a new wallet. When you do this, it's going to ask you to agree to the terms. After you agree, it's going to ask you to create a password. After you create and confirm the password, the next step is probably the most important. You're going to be taken to a page that's going to be titled Secret Recovery Phrase. I want to emphasize just how critical it is that you write this 12-word phrase down and put it somewhere safe. If you lose this phrase, there's absolutely no way of recovering your account, your money, or your NFTs. There's no customer service line that can assist. It's gone forever and cannot be recovered. Just keep it in your panty drawer, keep it wherever, I don't care, just keep it safe. You'll go to a page where you then verify and put the key phrase in order, and once that's done, your wallet setup is complete. The next step of this process is to transfer the Ethereum you bought from Coinbase. In this video, I won't be purchasing Ethereum, but the process is very simple and the site is easy to navigate. Once you buy your Ethereum on Coinbase, you're going to want to send that Ethereum to your MetaMask. The way you do this is you're going to open MetaMask from your bookmark. If you click the thumbtack to the right, it will pin the fox head by your bookmarks. Once it's open, right at the top, you'll see your wallet address under where it says account. If you hover over the address, it'll say copy to clipboard. Once you click it, it'll have your address copied. Once you have that address copied, you'll then go back into your Coinbase account, where then you'll click on Ethereum and then in the top right, select send/receive. Once you do that, you'll select how much Ethereum you want to send and you'll need to paste your wallet address and hit send. I want to make sure that you're aware when you are in your MetaMask, make sure that the crypto says Ethereum mainnet at the top. Depending on what crypto you're trading, keep in mind each of them are on different networks. So if you're ever trading a different crypto, always make sure at the top and see if you're in the right network. MetaMask is automatically set to the Ethereum network by default, but you shouldn't have to adjust anything when you create your wallet. I just want to go over that briefly because I don't want anyone new that's joining the space to make a mistake because they were simply unaware. After you send the Ethereum from Coinbase, give it about 5 minutes or so and you should be able to refresh and see that Ethereum sitting in your wallet. Once this is complete, you're going to go to a new browser and go to OpenSea.io. Once you get to OpenSea, you'll select the profile icon in the top right corner. It'll then bring you to another page that says connect your wallet and you will select MetaMask. From there, you'll go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet. Once you do that, you're officially connected to OpenSea and you're all set and ready to purchase your first NFT. The majority of all NFTs that you buy and sell will be off of OpenSea. If you're lucky enough to get a whitelist spot and are able to mint, you'll have to go to that project's website directly in order to buy the NFT. This is a whole nother tutorial that I'm going to go over next week with you when I show you guys how to buy, sell, and navigate OpenSea. 4 months ago, I didn't have a clue what an NFT was. I made this video hoping that maybe I could offer some type of guidance to anyone out there who may be hesitant about entering the space. It's no secret that right now this is a relatively male-dominated market, but there's nothing I'd love more than to be a part of a movement that embodies inclusiveness and encourages women to become a part of something we all know is the future. There's never been a better opportunity to take action and get involved in such a growing industry. We know that this industry has become well known for a quick cash grab, creating millionaires overnight. However, my goal is to bring people into this market that really believe in its true value and intended purpose. There will come a day where everything we own will be verified on the blockchain, whether that be digital art, car titles, mortgage deeds, or any other prized possession. I can't wait to start putting out more videos and grow with you all. Once again, if you like this video, please like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter at CryptoBrit. See you guys next week.